This exceptional 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This four-door crew cab has soft khaki cloth 40/20/40 bench seats, and is equipped with a responsive 6.7-liter inline 6-cylinder 12-valve engine, an effortless transmission, and has the safety and security of four-wheel drive. Its electronic features include satellite radio and a trip computer. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with child safety locks, a four-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4 ventilated disc brakes. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.